In this video, we will cover standard form. Microscopy usually involves very big and small numbers, so standard form can be useful. This is where a number like 0.017 is written as 1.7 times 10 to the minus 2, where the number on the power of 10 shows how many spaces the decimal point moves. A general rule is, if a power of 10 has a positive number, the point moves to the right, and a negative number moves it to the left. Conversion between units is also possible, and this is done in the units meters, millimeters, micrometers, nanometers, and picometers. You can convert units by multiplying and dividing. For example, 1000 micrometers can be multiplied by 1000 to form 1 million nanometers, or divided by 1000 to form 1 millimeter, which is also 10 to the minus 3 meters. This rule works for all of the units shown. Thanks for watching.